Jackie. There he is. Where you been? What have you been doing? What have you been up to? Huh? What have you been up to? I just been wondering where you were. What were you doing back there, huh? This is the old 30 frames per second setting here on December 26, 2008. And I just wanted to know what you were doing back there. We're just checking it out. I know. You're feeling anxious. You want to know what's going on. You're a good boy, Jack. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. What? 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 What is it? Want some foot? Want some foot? Want some foot? What? What is it? What is it, Randy? What is it? Check it. What is it? What is it?